Oo. Diba? So, manonood ka na lang, makikinig ka na lang sa mga answers nila. So, yung iba, habang may nag-speaking mock test, kumuha kayo ng idea sa mga answers nila. Tapos yung sa part 2, gawa din kayo ng mga answers. Gawa kayo ng sarili yung answer, kuha kayo ng mga ideas. Ganun yan dapat eh. Kaya mas maganda yung group class kasi sa group class, marami kayong makukuha ideas sa mga kaklase nyo sa speaking test. Okay? So, pag may nag-speaking test, makinig ng mabuti din para makakuha kayo ng ideas. O sige, start tayo. O mute muna yung iba kasi si ano muna, si Queenie muna. Yung iba mute muna para hindi maingay. Yan, si Queenie muna. Ayan, di ba? Di takot si Queenie, di ba? Ganyan dapat yan. Okay? Tayo lang natin pumasok sa Erin. Maingay pa naman to. Ayan, alright. Sige, let's start. Alright, what's your name, please?
Hello, good morning, sir. I'm Queenie Velasco. I'm 42 years old. You can call me Wiwi. That's my nickname.
Okay, and where are
Uh,
you from?
I'm from Barangay Hundagua, Lopez, Quezon. Uh, my place originally came from Honda, but Spanish word means deep. Agua means water. That's why they call it Hondagua from the Spanish people way back before.
Okay.
And then my place is known also for his Lopez Quezon is known for his Pamaypayan Festival because the main source of the job from the here in my place is Pamaypay. It's pan from
Okay, okay. All right,
narrative.
that's good. That's good. And what do you do?
Currently, I'm a caregiver. I'm taking care mostly on elderly. I work in overseas. That's my profession.
Okay. Okay. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about lifestyle and work. What do you do in your free time?
Mostly, I'm only staying at home, watching movies in YouTube. I like Korean movies, Japanese cartoons, like the one that I'm watching now is the Swallowed Star. I like their advanced technology. I'm fan into too much advanced technologies and then supernatural power like that. Even if I'm still already old, I love watching supernatural
Okay.
sequence.
Okay, that's great. Do you have a busy social life?
Because of my job, I'm not into I'm not into it because I can tell yes because I'm studying also nursing. My in my free time I'm studying my notes, my subjects. Mostly I didn't go outside. I always stay at home.
Okay, all right. Has your life changed much in the last year?
Yeah, sir. Because since I work in Dubai for almost 6 years, now I'm jobless. I'm currently no work. So mostly I'm still adapting the climate, the changes here in Philippines. What I can tell is yes, I'm trying to adapt to my
Okay,
situation here in the Philippines.
okay. Do you get on well with your coworkers?
Way back in Dubai, yes, because it will you will see it because I'm working in one house for almost 6 years. So I my situation there is I'm friendly and I almost talking to my coworkers there. We are being good relationship with my coworkers. Even different nationality also. They are Indians.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
can tell
Are
yes.
there good work opportunities in your hometown?
Here in my hometown, I don't have. I need to go to travel a long way in Manila. There's a lot of opportunity, but here in my town, there's nothing.
Oh,
Mostly they
okay.
are hiring only nurses.
All right, all
Yeah.
right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. Okay, I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay, so you can write notes if you like. The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. You might have the same topic in the actual test. Okay, that's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now.
Please. Okay. Okay. Study there. Oh, you have and kailangan nandiyan na.
Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There we go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. You can start.
My first job, way back 2014, I think it's in Kuwait. It's my first job, so it's located in private subdivision. It's a mansion. It is important for me to know the location and to know that I am safe in that place I'm working with. In that place, I feel I'm secured because it's a subdivision, it's exclusive. It's very private. So it's not easy to go out inside in that subdivision that time. So I feel secured and I feel safe in that place. And then the family members of my patient is good. They are very kind and they always support me in anything that I needed. Uh, why it's important for me the place of my work is the surrounding. I want it to be like, for example, when I'm with my patient, mostly we are only me and my patient. If there's someone who make buzzer in the house, first I can see it in the camera first. There's a mini camera in the mansion. So in any place I will go, there's a camera that are looking for me, always uh staring at me. So mostly I didn't feel fear or afraid that there is something that there will be happening to me or to my patient. If ever there is something happen to my patient, I know that I'm safe also because there's a camera always in any places in the mansion. So I feel secured. Even if there's something wrong in my patient, they can easily check it. So I agree that my location, my place, my first uh my first job is I said I can tell I will rate it 1 to 10, it's 10 because I feel loved and secured in that place. So that's why it takes me 4 years in that one employee before. That's all,
Okay.
sir.
All right. That's good. That's already 2 minutes. Good job. Oh, magaling naman pala si Queenie sa speaking. So wala ka ng problema sa speaking.
Natatay.
Okay
Nakarelax.
naman.
Pwede
Okay
na
naman yung speaking
mag-release.
test mo. Oo, so most likely baka maka 5.5 to 6.0 ka doon. Okay, 5.5 to 6. Okay na. Good job, good job.
Salamat, sir.
Okay, good job. All right. Okay, magaling pala si Queenie. Oh, next, sino sunod? Priscilla, si Priscilla nag-chat si Priscilla. Sabi, sir, ako muna, sir. Malakas loob, nag-chat ah. Sige, Priscilla, ikaw na muna, Priscilla. Chat-chat ka diyan eh. Nag-chat ka ba? Sige, ikaw na.
Hindi
Ah,
hindi sir. Kinakabahan ako, sir.
hindi ka pala nag-chat. Sige. Ikaw na, ikaw na. Okay, sige, Priscilla, let's start. All right. Can I have your name,
Okay,
please?
sir.
Sige, sige, sige.
Good morning. My name is Priscilla, but my friend called me Presi, but my family called me Dede. It means younger sister because I am the fourth in the family. But my patients called me Percy, which is it was the easy way to call me.
Okay, that's good. And where are you from?
I'm from Batangas, my hometown. It was my birthplace, but my exact birthplace is San Jose, which means Saint Joseph. Uh, it was my hometown.
Okay, and what do you do?
Right now, I am a caregiver. I work here in Israel for almost 2 years. Uh, it was a place where found in the Bible and the most visited place in the whole world, since it was a very religious place in our place.
Okay, that's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about plants. Do you like plants?
Yes, I like plants. It is one of my favorite pastime when I was in either a province, in my hometown. Uh, I usually plant when I have free time, especially in the summer or in rainy season, where plants grow. Most of the time, my plants that I plant was rubber plant, some of
Mm,
like body tree, which is give uh, good use to my surroundings.
Okay. What do you know about looking after plants?
Uh, Looking after plants is not easy job, uh, but it is give most advantage to people because it relieves our anxiety feelings. Sometimes when we have some stress or depression that we feel, it gives us comfort. Plants also give people special advantage because when you see plants, gives you a feeling of satisfaction.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
because
Have you ever given a plant as a gift?
yes, last time my employer give the sister of my employer give me a plant. It's like a rubber plant. Uh, Most of the time it gives flower like a heart. It is a red color. The flower was a red color, but its leaves was a green, which is shapes like a heart. I always water it every morning and in the afternoon, especially in our place now is summer. So I give it a lot of water.
Mhm.
Every evening I put them inside so that insects cannot destroy it.
Okay,
But in the
okay.
morning,
All right. Let's talk about street markets. Do you like going to street markets?
uh, I like going in the street market, especially when my mother asked me to buy something to eat, uh, especially in the morning when I go to school. I remember the time when I go to school that I always pass into a street market before I go to school. Um, the baon that called baon or pocket money that given by my mother. I buy something like sometimes I buy a toy, um, which I can secretly put into my bag, and I do not tell my mother that I buy a toy for my pocket money because she will get mad at me because my mother told me that don't buy anything except food. So you cannot get hungry where you're in the school. But most of the
Okay.
time when I go to
All right, all right. What do street markets in your country sell?
in our country, some of the street market that are selling are toys. Some are special things like small things like you can use in baking bracelet like beads, and sometimes they also selling small things like toys like yo-yo, jackstone, and but there are also something that they sell toys, sell foods
Mm.
like barbecue,
Okay.
and some are halo-halo.
All
They
right.
also
Do
sell.
you prefer to buy food from street markets or supermarkets?
Uh, I prefer buying foods at the supermarket because for me it was clean and it is good quality. Most of the time, we are going to a supermarket in the every Wednesday. We buy something to eat for it was for the whole week. Um, for me, because for me, when you go to supermarket, it is give you a good price also, not only to the good quality but also good price. And because they are usually giving discounts and promos, sometimes you can find food which is 50% off, or sometimes it is 50% discount. So it gives you much cheaper price at a good quality. And also, when you are going to supermarket, you can see a lot of choices. Sometimes you cannot buy the things that you didn't want because when you see that there's a special package for it, even it is not it is out of budget, you can buy it because you can see the advantage of the low price offered at that time when you see the product.
Okay, all right. That's
Also,
good. That's good. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. Okay, I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay, so you have 1 minute and then you can write notes if you like. Okay, there you go. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. You can start.
Uh, the most memorable meal that I have, it was when I was, before I left, going here in Israel, my family prepared me a dinner so we can share together before I left. They prepare they, they prepare foods that are my favorites. Usually they prepare my favorite fruits, which is avocado. Also, my favorite dish, which is pancit, spaghetti. Uh, my, my mother prepare it for me, but my sister buy cake for me also. It was held in my house in Batangas. Uh, Most of my brothers and sisters are there, but they bring some of the dishes that they cook in their house, so we can eat together. It is important. My brother and sister are came to visit, even though they are from different places. Um, Most of my brothers are in Batangas, but my sisters are in Manila. My mother is also calm. She visit us. Even she was staying in Mindoro. She traveled uh, to stay with us. I enjoy that meal because for me it is uh like a dinner, which is we are stay together, because most of the time we cannot be together because of my brothers and sisters are in different places and they have work. So they cannot have time to spend with us, even though in a time where there are vacation, because they have family, they cannot travel too long because of their kids. Most of the time, I am the one who are visiting their places, so I can be with them. Uh, And my mother, especially my mother, she cannot travel because she was in Mindoro and she cannot travel alone. So most of the time, I am the one visiting her uh, to be with her. But
Okay,
that
all
time,
right. Okay. That's
uh,
already 2 minutes. Okay, good job, good job. Okay naman yung speaking test mo, lalo na sa part 1. Lalo na sa part 1 ha. Kaya lang sa part 2 kasi, medyo
kinakabahan ako, sir.
medyo tumitigil ka kasi sa part 2.
Okay.
Okay? Oh, so anong ginagawa mo nung tumitigil ka sa part 2? Tumitingin ka sa notes mo.
Yes, sir. Tumitingin ako sa
Oh,
notes.
sa actual test kasi, pwede mo kasing iharap sa yung notes mo sa'yo. Okay lang yan. Okay, kasi walang
sir.
pakialam yung examiner niya kahit nakaharap ka sa notes mo, okay lang yan. Okay, so dapat continue siya. Pero okay naman yung speaking test mo, wala namang problema. Maganda na yung speaking test mo ha. Halos magkapareho lang kayo ni Queenie. So most likely nasa 6.0 din yun, 5.5 to 6.0. Okay, sa fluency lang kayo
Thank
medyo
you, sir.
tinamaan, fluency tsaka high level words. Mga complex structures. Kailangan nyo kasi yon, pati mga sequence connectors. Okay, pwede mo pang ma-improve yan, syempre. Definitely, pwede mo siyang ma-improve. Okay, very good. Maganda
Thank you,
naman yung
sir.
speaking test niya, ni Priscilla. Okay, sige, next.
Thank you po.
Next, sige. Ito,
Thank you,
nag-chat si
sir.
Irene. Sabi ni Irene, sir. Dali naman yan. Ako na, sir. Sige, Irene,
Nako,
ikaw
sir.
na. Chat-chat ka dyan eh. Sige.
Blanco isip ko, sir.
Nag-chat-chat
Okay.
ka. So, ikaw na. Ready ka na?
Okay, sir. Kahit walang
Okay, let's start. Sige. Kaya, dapat laging handa. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka handa or malapit na test mo, hindi ka pa handa. Dapat laging handa. Okay, let's start. What's your name, please?
My name is Irene Sasabian. Please just call me Irene. Okay lang po yun, sir?
Oo, dagdagan mo ha. Basta ganyan, dagdagan mo. Okay, napakinggan mo naman yung mga answers nila, di ba? Medyo mahaba yung answers nila. Okay, sige, next. Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. But I'm living in Manila, which is small house with my family's husband parents. We stay together with my daughter and husband.
Okay, okay. So,
Mm,
sa question, where are you from? Kaya ata nakikinig sa kanila kanina eh. Pag where are you from, yung city mo lang talaga ang i-answer mo. Yung kung saan ka lang nakatira. 'Di ba? Sabi nga ni Queenie kanina, my city is famous for. O ngayon, dinidiscuss mo na yung family mo. Ang question is, where are you from lang? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka talaga nanood ng mga videos ng speaking yan.
Wala, sir, blanco talaga kasi sir, problemado ako dito sa alaga ko.
Tapos magte-test ka na, 'di ba? O find
Opo.
time. Make time ka talaga yan. Kahit may problema ka diyan kasi magte-test ka na, alam mo magte-test ka na, make time ka talaga, hindi reason yung mga ano ha. May problema ka
Okay, sige
sa
po,
alaga
sir.
mo, talaga dapat nagpa-practice ka. Alam mo may problema ka pero malapit na test mo, gagawa ka talaga ng paraan yan.
Okay po, sir.
Okay? Hindi kasi pwede yung mga reasons na ganyan, mga ano eh. Kasi pag kahit alam mo yung problema ka diyan, tapos may test ka na, nag-book ka na, magte-test ka na, masasayang yung booking mo niyan. O, di ba? 20,000,
Okay.
masasayang lang yun. O, sige, kung yung ano yung tanong, dun lang ang answer mo. Related lang dun sa tanong ang answer mo. Ha? Related lang. Sabi ko sa inyo, manood ka ng videos ng speaking eh. O, nakapag-tapos na si Priscilla tsaka si Queenie. O, sige, next question. What do you do?
I doing my free time with my family. We
What do you do
spend,
means what's your job?
okay. Okay, my job is as caregiver for now. I'm working as naku sir, blanco ko sir ngayon. Paano ba to?
Mhm.
Pwedeng balikan niyo na lang po ko sir.
Tayo dyan. O, sige, mamaya ka na. Sige. Maganda ka dyan. Tapos mamaya, hindi ka na naman handa. O, sige. Day, ikaw na muna, Day. Day, magaling to si Day. Sige, si Day muna. Magaling to si Day. O, makinig ka rin ha. Mute lang kita. Makinig ka dyan.
Good
Si Day,
morning,
magaling
sir.
to si Day. Ayan, okay. Magaling to si
Kinabahan
Day.
ako.
Ready na yan. Okay, let's start. Okay. Hindi, paano kayo hindi kakabahan? Kape ka ng kape. Kaya
Sir, nantok pa kasi ako.
kakabahan ka.
Kaya nagkape ako.
Kabado, kape na. Okay, sige, let's start. All right. What's your name, please?
I am Desiree Villaluz. Some of my friends call me Day for short.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am from the Philippines, and I came from the province of Cavite. I am proud to say of my province because it is one of the most historical places in the Philippines. In fact, it's battle for the Independence Day. As a matter of fact, the first Independence Day in the Philippines was proclaimed in our province. Additionally, the first president of the Philippines was born in Kawit, Cavite.
Okay, that's great. And what do you do?
I am currently working here in Israel for several years for a caregiver. Kinakabahan ako, sir. And what do you do? Kailangan po ba bang dagdagan, sir?
Ito, di ba, anong ginagawa mo sa
Okay.
caregiver? Ganyan.
Okay. As part of my job, I'm taking care of the patient. She's having Alzheimer, and you need a lot of patience because having Alzheimer is not easy to deal with. There's a times that she don't remember what she's doing, what she wants, where she wants she want to go.
Okay, all
And
right.
it's
That's all right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about art. Okay. Do you like art?
Yes, in my opinion, yes, I love art. Like cross stitching. Sandali lang po, sir. Can I consider cross stitching is
Yes, of
art?
course, that's an art.
Okay. Yes, I do believe, yes, I love art like cross stitching. In my spare time, I always do cross stitching. Actually, I have a lot of cross stitching that that I've done, like angels, houses, flowers, mm, animals.
Okay. Did you like art classes at school?
Yes, because it gives me satisfaction every time I see the paintings. Like if it is colorful, yeah, something remind me of something of my imagination, and it keeps me it keeps me more kinakabahan ako
Mm.
sa nababahan ko. Nahiya kasi ako, ang
Okay.
daming tao.
Ganyan talaga yan. Okay lang yan. Is there any artwork on the wall in your room?
Yes, I have a lot. I have a lot. Mostly the pictures of my family and the frame the frame of the flowers because I do love flowers
Mhm.
like roses, tulip, sampagita, and there is also a frame of birds, houses. If you can go to my room, you can see a lot of not only actually arts. You can find also another things in, like the cross stitching that I made. Yes, I put it also in my room so that I can always remember that the thing that I made for my during my spare time.
Okay. Let's talk about sleep. How many hours do you normally sleep at night?
About sleep, actually, I can't tell how many hours, but most of the time I slept 5 hours because during the night I always watching my favorite K drama. So I think I used to sleep around maximum of 5 hours. But if I but but sometimes I sleep earlier. It depends on my body. Let's say I feel I'm sleepy, so I rather shut to put my phone off so that I can't
Okay.
so
All
that
right.
I can attempt to watch the.
Okay. Do you think sleep is important?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I do believe that sleeping is important because it needs to number one need of our body. We need a lot we need we need a lot of sleeps because if you don't ulit-ulit ako sir na sinasabi nakakalimutan ko paraphrase, it give us energy also.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. All right. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. So you can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay. This will be your topic. The rest of you think of an answer for the same topic. All right. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Okay. Ay, sandali, sir, napapala ako. I love to be a teacher in the future. I chose teacher because I like teacher because I love first of all, I love children, I love students, I love teaching them, and additionally, I love to be a second parent for them. I found this job since when I was young, because I always get a small blackboard and a chalk, and then calling all my cousin, my little sister. We are making, like we are making a drama that I was a teacher, and then all my students are sitting on the floor. I try to teach them like ABCD, what kind of animals, the color. I love the way that I am teaching them, because I saw all the children or all the pupils or the students, I don't that are listening to me. It feels me like I'm a real teacher. I find it very difficult. Actually, just to tell the truth, I find it both difficult and easy. Difficult for me because you can't go to the school without your lesson plan. So the day before, you need to write all the lesson plans that you need to teach to your students, and then you need also to organize the plans. You need also to study, because it's not easy. You can talk to the students for the things that you didn't know. I find it easy because for me, you're not pressure, because as what I said a while ago, I love students. Most of the students, they are playful. They make a lot of noise. For me, I can manage it via I can manage by giving them a sandali, sir. By sasabihin ko tuloy disciplinary action. Sandali. Kinakabahan po ako eh.
Okay, okay. Sige, that's already 2 minutes. Maganda yung speaking mo. Wala namang problema kasi dun sa ano mo, sa grammar mo. Okay yung grammar mo, okay yung pag-English mo. Alright, pero medyo nakukulang ka minsan sa ideas. Kulangan ka minsan sa ideas, di ba? So, kaya
Nakukulangan.
napuputol yung salita mo. Okay? Tapos, you need to make sure na tama yung pagkakaintindi nyo sa topic, ha? Kasi pag mali pagkakaintindi nyo, malaking deduction yun kasi mali kayo sa comprehension. Ano ba yung question sa part 2 mo? Yung question kasi sa part 2 mo, you would not like to do.
Description.
Ayaw mong gawin sa
No
future.
po. Hindi ko
Diba?
po na, opo, mali nga ako.
Importante yan na
Describe.
makuha nyo yung
Yes,
question, ha?
opo.
Describe
Sorry
what
po,
you
hindi
would
ko
not
na,
like to do in the future. Ayaw mong gawin sa future.
Ang basa ko po ay would like. Sorry po, mali
Ayan.
pala
So,
ako.
mag-iingat kayo sa topic, ha?
Opo.
Kasi, ayaw mo maging security guard. O, diba? Ganyan. Ayaw mo ng
Hindi ko
garbage
naiintindihan
collector.
yung tanong.
Pero okay lang. Magkamali ka dun sa topic, sumagot ka pa rin. Siyempre, kahit mali. Kasi hindi lang naman yun ang gagraduan. Gagraduan kasi kayo sa grammar. Gagraduan kayo sa pronunciation nyo. Okay, maraming aspects yun. Discuss natin yun. Diba? Kung saan kayo bibigyan ng grades. So, most likely, dun sa speaking test mo na yun, baka maka 5.5 ka. So, I'm pretty sure natataas pa yan, ha? Kasi okay naman yung speaking, okay naman yung pag-English mo eh. Konting practice lang.
Hindi,
Konting
tsaka sir,
practice.
napapansin ko, nakakalimutan kong mag-paraphrase. Kinakabahan ako.
Oo.
Yung paulit-ulit po ako, napapansin ko
Kaya
din
nga,
yung
problema nga
nagsasalita
yung
ako.
mga wordings nyo, choice of words, tsaka high level words, mga complex structures, mga ganyan. Yung mga sequence connectors, wala. O, wala mga ganun. Kaya pag na-improve nyo yan, siguradong tataas yung scores nyo. I'm pretty sure, mataas pa yung score mo. Baka sa actual test, maka 6.5 ka pa nga eh. Okay, o baka maka 7 pa kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Oo, maka 7 pa kayo pag inayos nyo ng mabuti. Okay, so Priscilla, Deo, maganda yun. So Queenie, maganda yung mga speaking nyo. Baka maka 6 to 7 kayo dyan sa actual pag inayos nyo ha. Kayong tatlo. Okay? Oh, very good, very good. Good job. Next. Oh, mataas ng pressure ng iba dito kasi magagaling yung mga nauna. Lagot kayo. Sige, lagot kayo. Okay, sige. Pressured na yung natira kasi magagaling yung nauna. Sige. Sinusunod. Oh, Michael, ikaw na Michael. Lalaki naman. Si Michael naman. Tapos mamaya, tatlong babae ulit. Michael? Michael?
Tumago na sa damuhan si Michael.
Ayan na. Oh. Tago ng tago dyan, Michael. Oh.
Sige sir, kinakabahan pero try.
Yan, tumatae ka na yata dyan. Kinakabahan ka na. Andiyan ka sa
Oo,
ano
sir.
eh. Damuhan
Natatay.
eh.
Natatay na ako sa kaba sir.
Okay, oh, sige, let's start ha. Pagkatapos nito si ano na si Mary Ann, pagkatapos si Mary Ann ha. Oh, para maghanda ka na rin Mary Ann. Tapos si Nelly, oh, huli natin si Irene. Okay? Oh, let's start. What's your name please?
My full name is Michael Cruz Palyasige. My name she gave me my grandmother. He get my name in the Bible. And my nickname is Mike. Some people you know me, you call me Mike, and you just may call me Mike.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Angeles City, located in Philippines. Angeles City is popular in Pampanga.
All right, and what do you do?
Currently, now I'm study English to prepare IELTS test, and I am work in my city as a butcher. I've been 7 years from now.
Okay, let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about cakes and desserts. Did you like cakes and desserts when you were a child?
Yes, I like cake, dessert, because I was young. I like cake. Na- na
Mhm.
nervous sir na may mental block pag ano, yes, I like dessert because young people like dessert because sir, ano muna, na may mental block ako.
Ilang beses ka na nag-take ng IELTS, di ba?
Opo sir, ba't ngayon kinakabahan?
May mental block ka. Naku po, delikado tayo dyan ha.
Opo sir, na ano po, no.
Pagdating sa actual test, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa examiner, sir, mamaya na ako sir, na may mental block ako. Naku po,
Kaya nga po sir, ewan ko ba't na.
babagsak talaga kayo niyan. O, Mary Ann, ikaw na muna, Mary Ann. Ikaw na muna, Mary Ann, sige. O, si Mary Ann na muna. O, Irene, tsaka Michael, kanina pa kayo nakikinig sa iba, na may mental block pa rin kayo. Kanina pa kayo, tapos na si Queenie, tapos na si Priscilla, tapos na si Day. Wala kayo nakuhang mga ideas dun sa kanila, paano sumagot? Bira kayo. O, sige, Mary Ann. Okay, let's start. Can I have your name, please?
Hi, I'm Mary Ann Catsuela. Mary Ann is came from the Bible. the Anne is from Saint Anne, the mother of Mary. And then my family called me Eden, and my nickname is for my friends is Mean.
Okay, and
Since
where are you from?
I'm from Malasiki, Pangasinan. Malasiki is known for mango. The mango, there's a lot of mango trees there, and the mango fruit also, that's which everyone's likes it. And Pangasinan is a major producer of salt, and their main product is the shrimp paste and the krill that give additional flavor in our dishes that likes of the Filipinos.
Okay, okay. And what do you do?
I'm a caregiver here in Israel for seven years. I'm taking care of the elderly, disabled. I'm helping here to walk, personal companion, to go in the doctor, market, therapies, and to get medicine as well. And especially here in the house, I'm doing housekeeping, cleaning the house, cooking, dishes, washing the dishes, washing clothes, and dusting and mopping, vacuuming, and all of the things that I know that I can help her. And personal hygiene also, to take her a shower, to help her brushing her teeth, changing clothes, and that's all. That's
Okay,
all
that's
that
great. That's
I
great.
know.
That's great. All right, let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Okay, first, let's talk about birthdays. Do you enjoy celebrating birthday?
Yes, of course. Yes, I enjoy it with my family. We are celebrating together with my friends. I invite with my friends. I remember my birthday in the Philippines. I invite them and we went there in their house one by one, in elementary days. And then I enjoy it because my mother cook foods, a lot of foods. And then we have spaghetti, salad. Uh, Actually, it's my birthday is we celebrated with my father. So we have a lunch. We have a lunch and then lunch for his co-workers because he's a policeman. So we have a lunch and then merienda, we call it this in snacks. In a lunch, they killed a kambing, a goat, and then they have a good choice of menu. We have a pinapaitan, caldereta, and then
Okay, very good, very good.
the
All right. Do you
okay.
think the price of a present is important? The price of a gift is important?
For me, no. Because it's the price is not important because it's expensive and then not all or everyone have a money to buy, so their presence is a good price already for me that they can attend on my special day. It's more
Okay.
important than the gift.
All right, all right. Do you like the age you are now?
Yes, of course I like, but the I like, but I will like it very much if I have a family or children, because as of now I don't have a children yet and I'm not married. And
Okay.
hopefully this coming I will be enjoying.
All right, all right. Let's talk about jeans. How often do you wear jeans?
Ah, jeans, the pantalon, sir, or the
Yeah, jeans.
pantalon jeans? Okay. jeans. I have a lot of jeans. I love to buy jeans, but I don't want to wear it because it's very hot. I feel not comfortable if I'm wearing it. I feel like my legs is it's a killing or sucking on my legs. So I prefer wearing shorts or leggings. The leggings is more stretchable.
Okay, okay. Would you ever wear an expensive pair of jeans?
Expensive wear of jeans. How expensive it is. Okay. For me, the most expensive jeans that I have, the Jag from the Philippines. I like her. I like it. The stresses, and then the texture of the clothes of the jeans is very good,
Mhm.
but it's like what I said. It's not my. I. It's not my. It's not love to. I not loves to wear a jeans. So it's not important to me what kind of jeans or how expensive or the prices is.
Okay, okay. Let's move on to part 2 of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. Here we go.
Describe
1
a
minute.
present you gave to someone.
Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen.
Okay.
Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
I love to give presents to someone, especially if she is my friend or she's always with me. I love to buy presents. The last one that I give to my friend is a plant. The plant. I not too big, but a small plant. Uh, I give it to my friend here in Israel. I give it to her because the plant is very cute in a small pot, and in a small pot, and before I give it to her, I take good care of it. I love how I love the way to take care of it, and when the flower bloom, I give it to her as a present, and I told her, take care of my plant the way I take care of you. So, and she told me, take care. I will try. If you want to visit this on my place, you can visit it too. And then the second plant that I gave is to my last employer, my former employer before. It's the same. I bought a plant, and then I took care of it. for many months, and I feel if that time that I love the plants very much, so I gave it to her. It's the same. I told her that she take good care of it, and then give water the plant every three days or something like that, and I teach her also to cultivate a little bit the the soil inside the pot, so that the plants will grow very well and very good in a good way also. And I told her to visit the plants every day, morning and evening, so that the plant will feel that she love the owner, the owner love her. And I told to my friend also that she can talk the plants, because the plants is a living things. So I told her that they can understand each other.
Okay, all right. That's already 2 minutes. All right, good job, good job.
So,
Maayos naman yung speaking test mo. Although may mga grammar mistakes.
Sir.
Okay, oh.
yes.
Simple words, may grammar mistake. Pero okay lang kasi sumagot ka naman. Maayos naman yung mga sagot mo, okay? Saka naintindihan naman. Oh. May sense naman yung mga sagot. Maganda yung mga sagot mo actually. Kaya lang, medyo sa grammar, tinamaan ka sa grammar. Okay, may mga grammar mistakes. Oo. Saka dapat may mga complex terms. Pero okay lang ha, maganda yung speaking test mo. So most likely nasa either 5.0 to 5.5 ka doon. Kayang-kaya mo pa improve yan.
Thank you, sir.
Kayang-kaya pa, practice lang ha, practice lang. O,
Okay,
pag
sir.
nag-speaking test ka sa
Thank you,
actual, pag
sir.
na-improve mo yan, baka maka 6.0 ka pa.
Ha.
Okay, good job, good job. Okay, next, Nelly.
Yes, sir.
Si Nelly na. Nelly, nag-chat ka sa akin, sabi mo, ready ka na. Sasagot, sabi mo dyan, ready ka na eh. Ready na. Sige, Nelly, ikaw na. All right, let's start. What's your name, please?
Morning, sir. My full name is Marina Realesa.
Parang medyo malayo yung boses mo.
Hold on po, sir.
Sige, ulit tayo, ulit.
Okay po,
Okay
sir.
na? Okay, sige. Again, what's your name, please?
My full name is Marina Realesa. The first name was given by my mom, and Realesa was my family name. My family and my friends, they call me Nell in short.
Okay, and where are you from?
I am born in Liliw, Laguna, but I grew up in Siniluan, Laguna, which is known as a tourist spot because of a lot of falls and a beautiful nature.
Okay, that's good. And what do you do?
I am currently living here in Israel as a caregiver for more than 2 years and a half. And I'm taking good care of elderly.
Mhm.
I'm helping her for daily livings, for daily needs. Do some housekeeping, like cleaning the house, dusting.
Okay, okay. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about smiling. What makes you smile?
Thanks for the beautiful question, sir. I'm smiling because I smile every time I saw with my children, my family, because they're giving me strength every time I saw them. So that's why I feel like they're my stress reliever. I feel when I saw them, I always smile. I feel like I'm very happy because I saw they're alive.
Okay. When was the last time you smiled?
Just a few minutes until now, sir. I'm still smiling. No, I'm smiling. Just now, a few minutes ago, I smiled because I'm happy. Like I feel like confident. I feel like I don't know. I can't explain, sir, how I feel.
Okay. Why is it important to smile in a photo?
um, when you smile in the photo, yeah, it's very important, sir, because it's like a reflection, and when somebody saw or look on your photo when you're smiling, it's like when they saw your smile, they think you like it's like a positive energy, like it's a like when they saw you you're not smiling, you're like serious, they like he is for example, she's like mad or like too serious, but when you're when they saw you smiling, like wow, it's like beautiful, like it's handsome, like that.
Okay, okay. Let's talk about patience. Are you a
Kabahan ako.
patient person?
I think yes, because that's why I answer is I think I'm patient person because until now I'm still here in my boss, because even my boss is sometimes it's not good to me, I'm still staying here.
Okay. What makes you lose your patience?
I lost my patient when in my family, sir, especially in my children. I lost my patient when they do something not good, or there's a so nawawala. Or when they're doing something not good, or for example, sir, in the school, I'm expecting they go to school, and then they not go, they absent. For example, they go to the alibi that they have a sick, or for example they have a feeling not good. But when I saw them, when I call them, they are only in house and playing phone, playing mobile legend. And then my temper is getting very short because I'm working here. I'm just to work too far to make the give them a good opportunity or good life. And then
Okay. All right, that's cool. Let's move on to part 2 of our speak and test. Okay. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? This will be your topic. There you go. It's a very nice topic. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There we go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Um, sir, when it's when we go to the beach in Tel Aviv, we go for with me and my family and friends. We go to the beach and we're so wait lang. Kinakabahan ako.
Hmm?
Sir, ulit po, sir. Me and my family with my friends, we go to the beach in Tel Aviv. We decide to make a walk and swim. Wala ako, sir.
So may 1 minute ka pa.
Me and my family go to the beach and then we do some barbecue. It's nice because in the beach is a nice view, especially when it's when you see the sunset. And we do some barbecue and eating some other food. It's nice because we have a bonding too. And I enjoy it. Not only me, we all of us, we enjoy our bonding because we talk together and we tell about something about our life, sharing what happened to our life, and we enjoy it because of like we much know what happening for our daily livings, what our daily life, what happening to our life, if it already changed or is still the same, or somebody is happy now, or somebody is much worse before, much better now, and it's a beautiful bonding, sir. It's nice to have like a forum bonding, and then we share it. We share our topic. We share what happened in our what we're doing. How about
Okay.
us now?
All right, that's already 2 minutes. Oh,
Sir, nawawala ako. Yung naiisip ko, hindi ko na alam kung paano ko
nabablanko
sasabihin.
ka. Oo, nabablanko ka. Nawawala ka sa ano. Naapektuhan yung fluency mo. Medyo okay naman yung part 1 mo. Kulang lang ng konting answers. Sa part 2, nablanko ka sa part 2 ha. Pero sagot ka
Opo,
lang
sir.
talaga. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, basta mag-answer lang kayo, hindi problema yun. Sagot lang. Sagot lang.
Sir, may
So,
sasagot ako, pero parang hindi ko na masabi.
okay, sige. So baka sa speaking test na yun, maka 5.0 ka. Pero tataas pa, mag-practice ka lang. Practice lang, tataas
Okay,
pa
sir.
yan. Okay? Good
Okay,
job, good
sir.
job. O next,
Thank
Irene.
you,
Ikaw na,
sir.
Irene. O, Irene. Okay, let's start. What's your name, please?
My full name is Irene. My parents give me name Irene. Since I'm married, I use my husband last name. And my friends call me Irene.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Taguig-Rizal, Manila. But I born in Tondo, but we moved in Makati City. Just since married, so
Okay, Okay, and what do you do?
Currently I'm doing here as a caregiver for her, help her my elders. She's, she's, she has she's healing, so I help her to get medicine, to go to inside the house because I have a couple. So I'm doing a lot of work, like to help the husband and help the
Okay,
wife.
let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. All right, let's talk about movies. What type of movies do you like?
I like movies, watching drama, Tagalog movies. I enjoy and I feel not stressed when I watch a movie. And when I have a free time, I use to watch. I use watch. I love watching TV. I love movies. And when I'm watching movies,
Okay, how often do you go to the cinema?
out of cinema. When I was age 18, 19, I used to go in the cinema. TV. But when I got to work, um, sometimes we go in the cinema when I feel free, and if if I don't have a job, just,
Okay, when you were a child, did you go to the cinema?
sorry, sir.
When you were a child, did you go to the cinema?
Definitely. No, sir, because I cannot afford to go to cinema to spend money to to go to the mall.
All right,
And
let's
so
talk about shoes. Do you prefer comfort shoes over fashion shoes?
sorry again, sir.
Do you prefer comfort shoes over fashion shoes?
I use a lot fashion shoes when I see the people that they have a new shoes. So I want to buy. I always to go somewhere to change everyday my shoes because I want to be like others. I want to feel because when I was young, I don't feel uh, to wearing fashion shoes, not the money, not like when I was 21, when I got the money, salary. So we went mall and to buying the many shoes to wear the shoes.
Okay,
So
so how often do you buy new shoes?
since okay. Uh, the day before I was buying shoes and and when when I have a party, I'm using my fashion shoes and spend money to buying my shoes. So, okay, that's it.
Okay, let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? This will be your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
So I can talk now, sir.
Oh, sabi ko na, you can start, di ba? Oh, you can start.
Okay, sir. Okay. Um, when the day after, I used to dance, but since inside when I go in the work, I'm using the bus. If people, ay, okay, let's okay, because I don't have motorized PC, so I'm went to the bus to go in my work, but ano zero. Etcetera. When I'm going to work, I use the bus because when I was in the difficult city and it's not easy to take a bus, it will. Ay, naku, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay, that's already 2 minutes. Actually, mga 3 minutes, almost 3 minutes na nga. Wala ka man
Oo
lang
nga
na
po, sir.
kwento. Wala ka man lang na kwento. Balik ka ng balik sa simula. Puro intro
Okay
yun.
nga po, sir.
Balik ka ng balik sa intro. Ano ba yung topic mo?
Sir, kailan ka sumakay ng bus?
Bus lang ba yun? Either bus,
Hindi, yes,
car,
sir.
train, mga
Yes,
vehicle, di ba, na broke down, nasira.
yes,
Oh, yun lang
yes.
ang topic. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede naman kayo gumawa ng kwento, di ba, para mas madali. Oh, kung ginawan mo ng kwento
Sir,
yun, di ba? So, madali lang sana.
nasira po.
O pati yung part 1 mo hindi complete sentences. Pag sumagot kayo, complete sentences. Napansin mo naman yung mga kanina, 'di ba? Mga complete sentences 'yon. Hindi pwedeng mga fragments lang, mga maikling sagot lang. Dapat mahaba yung mga kumpletong sentences talaga. Okay, Irene? So, pag may time ka, manood ka pa ng mga videos ng speaking, ha? Ito recorded naman 'to. Oh. Pag na-upload ko 'to,
Opo,
panoorin
yes,
mo
sir.
yung mga speaking videos nila, ha?
Opo.
Mga speaking videos
Opo.
nila Day, nila Priscilla, nila Queenie, o nila Mayan, okay naman kay Mary Ann, kay Nelly, okay lang din 'yun. O, panoorin mo yung mga sagot nila, ha? Panoorin mo yung mga sagot nila para masanay ka, ma-practice ka. Alright? O sige, next.
Bagsak po ba ako, sir?
Naku, wag mo na itanong. Sige. Baka makaano ka doon, 4 to 4.5, mababa talaga 'yon. Mababa
Opo,
talaga
sir.
'yon. Naku, lalo na sa part 2, wala ka man lang nasabi sa part 2. Nasa introduction ka lang sa part 2, wala talaga, introduction lang talaga. Wala na, 'yun lang.
Opo.
'Di ba? 'Di ba,
Kailan po, sir?
introduction lang 'yung nasabi mo, wala pabalik-balik pa introduction. Napapunta ka sa work, sakay
Wala
ka
kasi
ng
akong
bus,
idea
papunta work,
ngayon, may
sakay ng
idea
bus.
na ako.
Hindi mo na kailangan idea do'n, mag-iisip ka lang naman, gagawa ka lang naman ng kuwento. Gagawa ka lang naman ng kuwento do'n. O, 'di ba? Oh, when I was on my way to work, the bus broke down, so we really had a problem. I was in a hurry, but it was very traffic. So I had a hard time looking for a new bus to hop on. O, 'di ba? Gagawa ka lang naman ng kuwento. Oh, 'di ba sabi ko sa'yo gawa kayo ng kuwento, eh. Gano'n lang 'yan. O, practice lang, ha. Malapit na test mo, mag-practice ka, manood ka ng videos. Hindi ka nanonood ng mga videos, naku po delikado. Alam mo namang malapit na test mo, hindi nagpapabaya ka. O, 'di ba? Nasa sa inyo din kasi 'yan, eh. Alam niyong malapit na test niyo tapos nagpapabaya kayo, nasa sa inyo 'yan. O sige, next, last na, Michael. O, Michael, let's start.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
What's your name, please?
My full name is Michael Cruz Palyasige. My nickname is Mike. Some people they call me Mike, and you just may call me Mike.
Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Angeles City, located in Philippines. Angeles City is popular in Pampanga.
Okay. And what do you do?
As of now, I'm studying English to prepare IELTS test, and I'm also work. I'm also have a work as a butcher in my city. I've been 7 years from now.
Okay. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about new activities. Do you like to try new activities?
Yes, I like new activities because it's challenging for me. Example, the example, the hard activities, like biking.
Hindi gaganda.
Okay. All right. Do you prefer to try new activities alone or with friends?
I want try activities together my friends, because if I they have a guide for me to try art activities, like
Okay. Which new activity would you like to try in the future?
I like try activities in the future, is I want try parachute, because I like experience how can I to fly like bird or mm, and then I want to experience what I feel the ano si papawid sir na in the sky. I want to
Okay,
feel-
okay. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? All right, this will be your topic. There you go. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. You can start.
I like visit in the future. I want travel in other country because uh I plan to work in abroad and I want to bring my family in abroad and the and and what and then I want to work. Ito na ako. Sir na. Pwedeng
Oh, okay. Sige,
na
sige.
ano
All right.
sir,
Oh,
na ano ako sir na
that's the end of our speaking test. Sige, sige.